All right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Taking a quick look at APT. So you're currently sitting on this $11 area. We recently had a bearish cross, the 21 going below the 50-day EMA here, and the price is pretty much just getting pushed down here. So what to watch for? You can see we do have this downtrend right here in play. If we actually come down to our 382 here at 992, this 990 area, and we have a little bounce and move back up, that's actually going to form a descending triangle pattern here, which is a bearish pattern. So if we come down here and bounce at 990 and come back up here and get stuck again at our 50 and our 21 and this downtrend and start pulling back again, I would expect 990 not to hold for a third time, and then APT is going to start falling off the table. If you lose this 990 area, in my opinion, it's going to start getting a little bit bearish on APT here, and then your last line of defense is going to be this 0.5 down here. So this 790 area where we have this dotted white line is a macro support resistance line on APT here, that if you lose this price area here, there's nothing stopping APT from pretty much coming all the way back down to the bottom, what we call going to zero. So you lose 990, it gets extremely bearish. You come down here to this 790 level, $8 area, wherever it's going to be at this 0.5, and you lose this price area here, then APT is going to zero in my opinion. So we're going to go ahead and measure this. So you're looking at about a 9.5% drop to that 382, which I said, or like I mentioned a minute ago, if it does bounce and come back up here and get stuck yet again, you're going to form this bearish pattern here. And then that's probably a signal that it's just going to start falling off the table at that point. So if you do bounce here, you want to just blow right past your 21, your 50, and get above this downtrend here for support, and then start moving to higher prices. So that's what you want to see for a move up. So you're looking at that 10%, 9.5%, 10% drop to that 990 area, and then your 0.5 last line of defense down here is about a 28% drop on APT here. So just kind of watch those prices to the downside. You can see the stock R size curled down at the moment, so it does look like you're coming down here to this 382. So whether or not you bounce or not and blast out of here, or bounce and get stuck again and then fall off the table, remains to be seen, but just kind of watch those prices there. So if you do end up coming to the 382 and bouncing at about 990, and you do blow right past the 21 and the 50 and this downtrend, your next resistance is 13 at about a 32% move to this 236 up here. So if you can get up here to this $13 range, you'll know that you're not going down past these levels, and you'll actually have momentum back to the upside on APT here. So that's what you want to see for a move up. Other than that, I would watch these prices to the downside. Really watch 990, this 382 down here. If you lose that, then you're probably coming down here and potentially just going to blow right past this and just fall off the table on APT. So that's what I would watch. With that said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.